Very good morning, students. Today we are learning most interesting stories and the important point related to your values. Yes, this is your value education. Lesson number 5th, being truthful. So which values we are going to learn? Yes, we are learning faithfulness, honesty, punctuality and truthfulness. Along with these values, we are learning related to two stories. These two stories are of one is of Raja Harishchandra, Satyavadi Maharaja Harishchandra, and another one is of a person who is doing a job. So, we all know Gautam Buddha for compassion, Jesus Christ for forgiveness, Mahatma Gandhi for non-violence. Similarly, we are learning about today Raja Harishchandra for truthfulness. As our motto is Satyamev Jayate, which means truth alone triumphs. So, this story is related to a truthful king, that is Raja Harishchandra. Raja Harishchandra, a king of Ayodhya and descendant of Ishwa breed to which King Rama belongs. And his lovely wife is Queen Taramati and the only child Rohitashva. He caught between vigorous struggle of two great wise men, Vasishtha and Vishwamitra, and become a victim to sage Vishwamitra anger. He loses his kingdom upholding truth. He is separated from his wife and only child Rohitashva. His wife forced to work as a servant in rich man's house, and Raja Harishchandra himself take up job of caretaker in cremation ground. So as working after 1 year, Rohitashva died by a poisonous snake bite. So Queen Taramati brought it to the cremation ground where Raja Harishchandra was there. He identified both of them and in a great sorrow, but then also not left from the truth. So, by seeing his truthfulness, Vishwamitra, then other gods, they are descend on earth and shower their blessings, restoring the family all that had been lost. So again, Raja Harishchandra became a king, his lovely wife Taramati became a queen, and they got back their only child Rohitashva. And all this happens because of truthfulness, means how important that value is. You can understand. So read this story carefully. Now we'll turn towards the second story. Second story also you have to read the carefully. Now we'll see in short what is given in the second story. The story is about a working person, Lakpati, who is always telling lie to his boss. Once he got late for his office. So his boss is asking why you are late, what happens to you. Again he make his face like a scent and he's starting to telling lie to his boss. Now what he is telling, that once when I wake up earlier and I'm coming earlier to the office, but what happened when I'm on the way, a old lady get accident or get struck by a vehicle. So I wait there and help her. I'm taking her in a hospital. Call her relatives. When they reach there, then I will leave from that old lady. And as sir, your Dadi got hurt when she is returning from Hanumanji temple. So same incidents was happening. That's why I am helping her. So for a while his boss become calm. But then after a phone rings and that is the call from the pawn shop where that person is waiting or always staying there for eating a pan and chatting with that shopkeeper. So he called and told to his boss that is Lakpati is there. So he forgot his mobile phone as usual. So here he get caught, and then his boss was telling him again and again that you have to face problems related to it and you have to leave your job. So due to his lying or not telling of truth, he has to lost his job. So these two stories are related to truthfulness. What are the fruits of that thing? Okay, so read lesson carefully, students. Also, from textbook, you have to solve question answers given below that both the stories. Here we are not conducting your question answers. These question answers you have to do on your own. That's why read it carefully and solve all the question answers. Hope you are understanding the stories. If any difficulty, you can write hard words from it and find its meanings. Okay. Thank you children and have a nice day.